Hello, beautiful little one. Oh. Whew. Come on, baby. Every time. We need to just keep looking around this industrial place. No way. 3, 2, 1, 3. Dude, I need to pee. It'd be a shame if I whip my willy out right here. Yeah, we gotta make the most of it. It's a little interesting, but I was just getting doored right then. Woo! That's nice. I'm surprised we haven't gotten kicked out yet. Oh, that was a mistake. Look at all the powder we're throwing up. Am I just the clipping point now again? Ooh, Lord. What was that? What is he doing? That actually looks nice though, I'm not gonna lie. Whoa. What is happening? Are you kidding me? That thing looks nice, all white lips. I just don't want to crunch the hood. This is a stupid idea. Curb, that's what I need to know. I know. There's the beach. I just try to work it wide and then it just gets super slick.
I got the Spice Girls on now. So.
Is that why you're going a little harder? I don't think we got enough overhang to hit the pile.
I think it's from you, I'm not entirely sure. It's like a air duct.
Is that your air duct or mine? I'm sure it doesn't matter.
I don't know, mine's already been deleted.
You can sell it on eBay for nothing.
Of course, Tyler. Hey,
It's like with Tokyo Drift, but a little different version. About to get freaking T-boned. He's definitely catching my tow hook. Let me drive that thing. Let me drive that thing, you drive this. Just throw down in one and give her a feather.
You got it.
The feather's the key, it pulls out of anything you want. Let's see what this thing can do. So bumpy. It definitely plows, like you have to be on throttle. That thing looks great. That looks sick. Not much much of a tandem, is it? It's more just a cutoff. I'm pretty much just a cam car at this point. Bro, I couldn't catch you. More of a lead driver in this little guy. Just kind of keep her pinned. Oh yeah.
Let's go, Drew! Let's go!
That was nice.
You never go wrong with the donut.
Yeah, just constant tandems, especially when you're fast. I know it's just a donut, but it's still good funsies.
It's about as close as I would have.
Did I get a kiss?
Bro, I was so.
I thought Red said you got us.
Yeah, I think you tapped on one. Really? Yeah, you doored it. Be a shame. No, I didn't.
Sheesh. She has seen some stuff tonight. Wow. Dude, I'm like pinned. You can hear all the limiter. Just trying to go. The tires are getting worse.
Cars surging up.
Real nice.
Yeah.
I kissed the curb. Let me drill. I gotta drill a hole in that quarter and bumper. Butter. Oh no, 2 zip ties she's meant. That's all she needs.
That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? Hey, coming down like precipitation. I ain't never met a limitation. Hate a plotting my